All right, that was my ground beef in my bundt pan. I'm next just gonna season this super quick with my hamburger seasoning. Go super heavy-handed on the seasoning because we want this to be nice and flavorful. Beautiful. All right, this is going in the oven at 350 for about 50 minutes. All right, while that's in the oven, I'm gonna grab my second bundt pan and I'm gonna bring in my Crescent's Originals and we're gonna open these up. Super easy, and we're gonna keep it together just like this roll. And we're gonna kind of mangle it and put it right into our greased bundt pan, just like so. I have a second one that we're gonna put on the other side of our bundt pan. And as these are in there, we're gonna kind of just pinch them together so we can create one big circle out of our crescent dough. Now that that's fully put together, we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. All right, you guys, look at these incredible bundt pans filled with delicious goodness. Go ahead and put that to the side. And I'm gonna bring in this plate.
So I did already remove all of the grease from our burger, and we are gonna flip that right onto our plate just like so. This is gonna be the most perfectly cooked burger. Once we get our burger out of our bundt pan, we're gonna go ahead and grab our favorite cheese. I grabbed cheddar cheese, but you could do an American cheese, whatever cheese you like. And we are gonna layer our cheese right on top of our burger while it's still warm so that it will melt onto our patty.
All right, now that that's melted, we're gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna grab our crescent and we're gonna plop that right onto our cutting board. Look how beautifully cooked that is. You're actually gonna cut our crescent hole in half. Be very gentle, we don't wanna break it. Okay, perfect. Now we should be able to lift our top right off. Place it right there. Ooh, that looks absolutely delicious. We're gonna add our patty right on top of our crescent. Condiments. So I'm gonna start off with some mustard. You can add whatever condiments you have. I thought I had ketchup, but apparently not. So we're gonna just do a little bit of mustard. Our Duke's mayo. Final few touches, I have some lettuce that we're gonna put right on top of our patty. And no burger would be complete without some tomatoes. I'm actually just gonna pop them right on the condiments so that they stick, but obviously you can put them wherever you want. Perfect, all right. Let's put our lid back on to our burger. Is some fries, and we're just gonna add our fries, fully cooked fries, right in the center of our burger. Now this was a crazy adventure, but we made it to the end, and now we get to eat our delicious bundt pan burger with our crispy fries, and game day has never been better. Oh my goodness. Time to cut into this. Ooh, look at that. Burger heaven. Woo. All right, I just put that right on my little mini plate. We're gonna look how fun that is inside there with all the fries. Oh, those layers. You got the cheese, the burger. The burger's perfectly cooked. We got the lettuce, the tomato. This is a stacked burger. Oh my goodness. You guys can obviously make your patty smaller. I just wanted to go big or go home, you know? Let's give it a try. I wouldn't have it any other way.